6 times 4 gives us 24. 24 minus 12 gives us 12. 12 divided by 3 gives us 4. And then 4 minus 8 gives us minus 4. Unfortunately, that's the wrong answer because you fell for a big trap, and a big trap, hook, line, and sinker, and that's the order of operations. If you're asking yourself if there is any order of operations, yes, there is an order of operations, because without a unified and internationally accepted order, everybody would be lost. So you would say this is the answer, I would claim that's the answer. So you can't just go from left to right. There are orders to learn about. Let's see what this order is. So this order is an acronym. It is called PEMDAS, and you should learn this. So let's see what PEMDAS is. P in PEMDAS stands for parentheses. E stands for exponents. M stands for multiplication. D stands for division. A stands for addition. And S stands for subtraction. And this gives us an arrow of priority from the highest to the lowest priority. What PEMDAS tells us is that you must do the parentheses or any grouping symbols at first. Then go for exponents, powers, square roots, etc. Then go for multiplication and division from left to right because they have the same priority. So MD or DM doesn't matter. And finally, go for addition and subtraction from left to right. Again, AS or SA doesn't matter. So that being said, let's work out the original expression. But for God's sake, learn PEMDAS once for all. So never be lost. Learn PEMDAS. Do I sound like Saul Goodman in Better Call Saul? I don't know. So ask yourself about the original expression. Do we have any parentheses? No, according to PEMDAS, no. Do we have any exponents or powers? No, we don't. Do we have any multiplication and division? Yes, multiplication and division. So you must do them at first. So let's write it down here. 6 times 4 gives us 24. Let's write everything down. Minus 12 divided by 3 minus 8. Do we have any divisions here? Yes, we do. So let's write it down again here. 24 minus 12 divided by 3 gives us 4, and then minus 8. So now we just have the subtraction, go from left to right. 24 minus 4 gives us 20, and then minus 8. 20 minus 8 gives us 12. And that's the final answer. So for your homework, how do you work out this expression? What is the value of this expression? 6 times 4 squared minus 12 divided by, open brackets, open parentheses, 3 minus 8, close parentheses. So I try to complicate it a little further. So make sure to drop your answers in the comments below, and please subscribe to your channel Prime Logic to support me and motivate me. I really do appreciate it, and like the video if you haven't already.